This replaced my 85-inch OLED, Epson EpiqVision Flex Reality. You're sitting 3 feet from a 75-inch screen that somehow still feels small. Heads blocking half the picture, someone's always leaning forward, and the colors look washed out before the opening credits even finish. Type small if that's your reality right now. You keep telling yourself it's fine, but it's not, is it?
That dull ache every weekend when movie night should feel epic but just feels crowded and flat. What if the real theater experience was actually easier than plugging in your current television? Don't move, because what happened to me next quietly ended an entire era of my life.
Then I plugged in the Epson EpiqVision Flex CO-FH02 Full HD 1920 by 1080 pixel Smart Streaming Portable Projector, and the whole room went church quiet in under 10 seconds. 6 things hit like a cheat code. True 3000 lumens that destroy ambient light, 0 rainbow 3-chip 3 LCD colors that look expensive, full Android TV with every streaming application ready the second you connect Wi-Fi, auto-keystone plus pop-out kickstand that makes setup literally brain-dead, up to 300-inch images that make sports feel like front-row seats, backpack-ready weight with Bluetooth audio that actually fills the room. 3:12 a.m., Super Bowl party spiraling, 65-inch television drowning in bodies. I slid the coffee table, hit power, and 30 seconds later, the entire wall was the field. My buddy Ryan just stared and said, "Dude, I'm breaking up with my television tomorrow." You feel the picture wrap around you, the brightness hit your face, the scale make your pulse sync with the film. Then I switched to the one hidden picture preset nobody talks about, and the image got straight up illegal. Comment your television brand below. I need to know whose funeral we're planning tonight.
Setup drops to seconds. Living room lights stay on. Immersion hits so hard, guests forget to check their phones. Friends start scheduling hangouts at your place without asking. The proof is embarrassing. The calibrator who tunes $60,000 theater rooms told me last month, I sold my 77-inch C3, the CO-FH02 won. I'm not even mad. Biggest projector channel owner slid into my DMs, stopped accepting television sponsorships, can't lie to my audience anymore. Actual specification that matters. Epson pushes 100% RGB color signal every frame. Most bright portables fake it with color wheels and lies. At Tom the Builder, 100-inch in the garage every weekend. Neighbors keep walking in thinking we built a theater. Nope, just this. I watched my cousin, hardcore Sony fanboy, set it up in his bright kitchen at noon. 10 minutes later, he was texting me the Amazon link with, "Shut up and take my money." Biggest excuse still floating around? My room has windows. I ran it at golden hour, curtains wide open. The image laughed at daylight. Your excuse just got embarrassed in 4K. The one message blowing up my inbox daily, will it actually look good in my real house? Comment Windows if you're done pretending darkness is mandatory. You felt that little kick in your stomach the moment the wall turned into a theater. That quiet smirk you're wearing right now? Join the ones who stopped explaining and started experiencing. First link in description, pinned right at the top because I refuse to watch you settle one more weekend. Click it. Your future self is already kicked back under a 120-inch screen wearing that same smirk, wondering why you almost talked yourself out this close to freedom.